अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Now we will see chapter number 31, intelligent homes. Technical terms we are using in this English language, technical English. Here it is domotics. What is domotics? Domotics from the Latin word. This is from Latin language. The word is domus plus robotics, also known as automation. Involves the use of information technology applied to domestic appliances in order to create intelligent systems inside the house. What is domotics? This is electronic appliances, electronic system, electronic devices we are using inside our houses to control the house, to manage the house. So this is coming from two words, domus and robotics. Basic intelligent devices, traditional devices, तकलीदी, tradition यानी तकलीदी devices, जहाज with an embedded processors inside मौजूद have been with us for a while, like we were using in microwave ovens, microwave and washing machines, and with computerized controls. They are having inside small computers, built-in computers. So microwave or washing machine or refrigerator or fridge, they are using inside inbuilt small computer to control the devices. Now, intelligent homes are a wider concept. We are using now intelligent homes appliances in a bigger concept. All the systems and devices are connected in a LAN, local area network, where they communicate with each other and are controlled by a central computer sometimes installed in one of the machines. So we are having different types of electronic systems, electronic devices, electronic appliances, jihaz electronia, fi house, fi bait, and these all devices are controlled by a local area network system controlled by a computer. Control devices and networking. Intelligent homes are controlled with different types of interfaces. Devices that facilitate communication between the user and the systems. Physical switches, touch screens, infrared, also IR. Remote controls, istishar on board computers, either at home or at a distance telephone. The different elements perform one of these two functions. They are either command initiators. Example, a brightness sensor that is programmed to send an instruction when it gets dark, or command receiver, either command initiator or command receiver. As for example, a light that turns on when it receives an instruction sent by the sensor. Household appliances, sound and video systems, optical and thermal sensors, etc. can be linked with wired and wireless systems, silky or la silky. कुल जहाज मरबूत with silky, wired silky or la silky systems. Wired LANs use different types of cables and also electrical wiring. Wireless LANs. Wireless LAN networks use radio frequency systems such as Bluetooth A short range radio systems used to communicate between portable devices like laptops. Portable systems जहाज महमूल like laptops, PDA, mobile phones, etc. is now frequently used to design PANs, personal area network. We are having local area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, WAN, wide area network, now PAN, personal area network. Shabaka Shakhsiya, inside the home. Automatic operations. Intelligent systems are able to perform a series of activities to improve these areas, like security. Turn on and off alarm systems. For security purpose, there are alarms, munabbah. They turn on or off and phone emergency services if needed, or open and close doors and gates, blinds or curtains. For security, for safety purpose, like control heat and smoke sensors, these are for safety purpose. Then comfort and economy, like control heating, air conditioning and electricity. Detect motion and switch on and off lights accordingly. Switch on and off hi-fi sets. So for these purpose we use electronic devices for security, for safety, for comfort and economy, and assistive technology. Raise and lower motorized cupboards and sinks for people with mobility problems. Raise and lower motorized cupboards and sinks for people with mobility problems. So these are assistive technology. Now here is the problem and solutions. Here it is some words, technical terms are written. They use number of letters, adad abjadiyat, like this, and here it is written in hints. What is this? The automatic operation of a system or process. This is automatic operation. So what you can write here? Number 2, here this. The term domotics comes from domus, and what comes from robotics. Then number 3, a wireless standard used for pans. Here is number 3. What is the standards used for pans? Bluetooth, Bluetooth. You can find all these answers where in at the end of this chapter, at the end of this book. So after 93 it is there. So this is, we are using chapter number 31. This is chapter number 31. To go and see after 93 where is this. This is 6. We are using 31. (29, 30). Here is 31. This is a cross. A cross means ufaqi. This is ufaqi answer, and this is down amud. You can see this is in page number 103. Now we should go there in page number 72. Actually this is page number 70. So now here it is given for down. For down 1 and 2. See what is given for 1 and 2. This is 33. Here is for down automation and robotics. It is given automation and robotics, and for this it is given Bluetooth and interfaces. So you can see this. Here for 1, the automatic operation. Number 1, automation. The term domotics comes from domus and robotics. Here it is robotics for down, and for 3 it is a wireless standard. This is Bluetooth. And then for 4, the adjective used to describe homes and devices that use IT technology. The intelligent house. You can check all answers from here. This is for 31, then 32, then 33. All answers are given here. You can check from here. So now we have finished this chapter number 31. Inshallah, 2 more chapters we will study. 2 more chapters, chapter number 33 and 34. So see you then inshallah in next chapter. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.